Hello, so today I received a package from Dial Outlet, so let's open the box and take a look. So inside the box we've got the Michael Kors packaging, and then when we open that, inside we have the watch. Now this watch is actually a unisex watch. It's PVD gold plated and it's got a clear champagne face on there. Let's bring that a bit closer, see if we can refocus on that. Absolutely stunning. It's got the champagne face and then the gold baton on there. It's also got the date there at the bottom. It's got the chronograph and it's got the Japanese quartz movement that you can see there. It fastens with the gold plated clasp there. In the box we have the Michael Kors operation booklet. The case thickness is 13mm and the diameter is 40mm. The watch also has a chronograph, so at the bottom there we've got the second stopwatch. The side we've got minutes, and then we've got 24-hour clock on the side. To start the stopwatch, you just press the A button and the second hand starts moving along, and then to stop it you just press the A again, like so, and B will take it back to the start. So if it does a full rotation past the 60, then the minute clock will move on to 1, and again if that does a full rotation then the hour will move along on there. We can take this protective layer off. It's just protecting the band there, and you can really see the gold plating on that. I've just taken the protective layer off the face there, and now you can really see the gold plating shining. And these are available by clicking the link in the description below, and please feel free to subscribe to the channel. And these can be found at dialoutlet.com.